Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to program the Honeywell 2300B programmable thermostat. By default, this thing comes programmed with a predefined set time and temperature for each of the set schedule periods. And what I mean by the set schedule periods is there's 4 of them. You have a wake time set schedule period, a leave, a return, and then a sleep. And I'll show you those right now. And it's pretty straightforward, everything. So first thing you have to do, this thing is going to be blinking. When you put new batteries in it, it's going to say 12 a.m. So you're going to want to set the time on this bad boy. So all you do is click this button. So you have set. See set? Yep. So just click set. It says set time. You set your desired time. And you do that by either pressing up or down. Right? What sucks about this is you can't do either hours and then minutes. You have to do the whole set, whether it's AM or PM. You have to get all the way up to the AM to change the time. But it is what it is, and it goes pretty fast if you hold the button down. So once you get your desired time, you lock that in by hitting set again. Then it goes to the day. You set your day same way, either up or down. Once you get your day, you lock it in by pressing set. Then is where you get to your set schedule time periods in temperature settings. So right now, as you can see, we're on the wake set schedule. So what this basically means is when you want to set your time to either the temperature up or down, depending if you're in heat or AC. I'm in heat, only in heat. But at a certain time, you want your temperature to come on automatically or go up. For me, at 6:30 in the morning, I want my temperature to start increasing up to 70 degrees. All right, so we do that by, so time's blinking, so you change your time. And it changes in 15-minute intervals. So it goes to 6:45, 7, 7:15, etc. So hit your desired time. Whenever time you wake up, it could be 5:30, 5:15, but you can set it at that point. So for me, it's 6:30. And then once you get your time, you hit set again. Set's like your enter. If you're in a computer, if you're doing computer stuff, set is like your enter. So at this point, you set your temperature. You see the temperature's blinking? Set whatever temperature you want at that time. I'm good at 70 degrees. That's perfect for me. I don't get out of the bed cold and shriveled and all that good stuff. So I like 70 degrees. So I'm going to lock that bad boy in. And then it goes to the next time. Well, the next set period, which is the leave. It's the time that you leave your house and you want your temperature to go down if you want to save electricity or save heating bills, save oil, whatever it need be. So it's the same exact steps that we just did for wake. You do your time, then you do temperature. Time, and then temperature, enter. Time, temperature, set. I said enter, but okay, you get it. You know what I mean. So for me, I set mine at 8:30, and again, you either hit up or down. I mean, it's straightforward. I'm telling you, it's so easy. So then you lock that in, lock that time in, and then for me, I wanted it to be about 67 degrees, so it's not too cold, it's not too hot. It's like just a good time, a good degrees, a good temperature in here. When I'm gone, my TV doesn't need to be hot. But here we go. Lock that in. And then you have to return. The time you come home. So, come home around 4:30. You want the temperature to kick up, especially right now in these New England winters. It's freaking freezing outside. So you want to come into a nice cozy house, but you don't want to waste all your energy and electricity. So I had mine set for 4:30. And again, it's the same thing. Time, temperature. Time, temperature, enter. We're set. So I'm good at 4:30. This guy, good at 70 degrees. And then I hit my sleep time. So I like to sleep nice and cold. I want to cuddle with my wife. I like to just feel the cold leg and then a warm leg and cold leg. That feels good together. I don't want to be all sticky. I don't want leg to leg crime and everything's sticky. We don't want leg to leg sticky crime. That's just nasty. So we keep it nice and cool in the house at night because we have covers and kids like it cool. They don't like being hot. Nobody likes being hot. So like to be comfortable. So 62 degrees in New England and here in Connecticut is a good temperature for us. So I want my heat to go from 70 and I want it to start creeping down to 62 degrees or just at least turn the heat off so we can be comfortable by the time we go to bed at 8 o'clock or 8:30, wherever we just decide to crash. But once I got that, I got my time, got my temperature. Remember, time, temperature, lock it in. Then once you have everything all set, you want to have the whole schedule in there. All you have to do is click run. Done. you can override or temporarily override the set temperature on this thermostat if you want. You can do this by either hitting up or down. So right now my set sleep scheduled degrees or temperature is going to be 62 degrees. I can override that temporarily by, I don't know, say 75. So you can see it says temporary, and the heat should cut on in a second. There it is. The heat just turned on. So basically what that does is it told this thermostat, hey, I don't want you to go down to 62 degrees during my sleep mode. I want you just to increase this heat up to 73 degrees. However, it's going to stay like that too until it hits the next set scheduled period, which will be the wake. So at 6:45 or 6:30, whatever time I had that, 6:30 a.m., this guy is going to set and start going down to 70 degrees. And that's what happens with the temporary degrees. It only lasts until it goes to the next set scheduled period, which, you know, that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So if you want to negate the temporary, you just hit run. It puts you right back into the programming state. See, I'm in sleep mode. Hit that. You see, I'm going to go down to 62 degrees. All right. Now, if you want to actually lock that temperature in, so when it hits the next set, I can't say that fast, the next set scheduled period, which will be wake, it will hold it, and hence hold it. Check this out. You just get to a desired temperature, right? Let that kick in, or you don't even let it kick in. All you gotta do is set it, set it to 75, and then hit hold. It's gonna lock it in there. Plain and simple, easy, nothing else to do. Now my heat is gonna increase to 75. When you want to negate it or cancel it out, all you have to do is hit run and you set it right back to the program schedule. Done. Now look, it's right back down to the set schedule. I hear my heat going on and off, playing around with this thing, but that's it. Now, for guys that are old school or girls that are old school that just wanted to get a thermostat, just to do thermostat type things like increase the heat or increase your AC or turn the AC down or turn the heat down just simply by pressing these buttons. This is what you do. You have to cancel out the set program schedules. Remember, this thing comes with a predefined set of default program time and temperature. So it's very simple. Now, check this out. You cannot do anything about the wake. The wake is the wake, and just set your time and schedule for the wake and you're good. But everything else you can negate. And this is how you do it. So you come to your set. You get past your time and day. So you're at time. You're at day. See the date blinking for Tuesday? Then now you're at the wake. The wake time. Wake temperature. Now we're in the leave set. We're in the leave set schedule. So what we do to negate this thing, pretty much zero it out, is we press the hold button. We hold it down for like 4 or 5 seconds. Let's count. Let's actually see how many seconds this is. So ready, go. 1, 2, 3 and some change. Boom. And this is what you get. You get it to zero. So you lock that in by pressing set again. You get to your next one. Return. And again, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't even get to say 4. Zeroed it out. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. There we go. So that's what happens. It zeroes out, and then lock that in by hitting set. You come back to wake, and then you lock the whole program in by pressing run. Done. That's it. And now you can easily go in here and modify your temperature to wherever the hell you want it to be without it going to the next set schedule period, and negating or canceling out the temperature that you put in there, which was real annoying when I first bought this thing, and I didn't realize it had predefined set schedule periods in here. Once I read the manual, I saw what I had to do, and I'm like, oh, okay, I get it. Now let me try to help somebody else out. So I hope this video helps you out. I don't know, just let me know. But this video should help you out. It's pretty straightforward. This thing's not rocket science. It's really, so far, I had it for a good week. It's a dead-on thermostat. I like it. I've been hearing complaints about battery problems. I haven't. We'll see. We'll see. Like I said, it's only been a week, but my house been nice and cozy. I can't wait to see what my bill looks like though. So anyway, this is If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. I'm the amateur's amateur. Thank you for viewing, and I hope the video was informative.